Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create calendar in MS Project. This is a very important topic, but before that let's look about type of calendar in MS Project. So we have three types of calendar that we can create in MS Project. We have project calendar, okay, we have task calendar, we have resources calendar, okay. So let's look about the difference between all of these. So let's suppose we have one project as TVTC project, and under this project we have different kind of activities like activity 1, activity 2, activity 3. It could be 1000 activities in a project. Next to it, let's suppose we have assigned two resources to activity 3, resource 1 and resource 2. When we will just create project calendar, it will just affect on the project activities and the resources, okay. This calendar will be for the project, for the activities and the resources, okay. And if you will create any task calendar, it will only affect on the activities, okay. And if you will just create any resource calendar, it will only affect on the resources. So this is the difference between project calendar, task calendar and resource calendar, okay. So hope you understand the difference. Now next, let's look about the exercise calendar that we'll just create in MS Project right now, okay. And the project name will be Technical Vocational Training Center, okay. And the daily schedule of this project is 8 to 5 p.m. and 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. will be prayer and lunch break, okay. And Friday will be holiday, okay. Next, we'll just add some of the holidays in this calendar. And the first holiday is the Eid al-Fitr, okay, May 13 to May 15, Eid al-Adha July 19 to July 21, and Christmas as on December 25 in 2021, okay. And we'll just add some of the exceptions as well, okay. And the first exception over here is we need to just add a exception on December 11 2021. Working hours will be 9 a.m. to 1 p.m, okay. And we'll just add one recurring holiday as well. And in this, every second Thursday will be holiday, okay. And the time period in calendar will be 8 hours per day, hours per week as 48, and days per month as 26, okay. So this is the calendar that we'll create in MS Project as an example calendar. So let's open the software and do the same example in MS Project. Now I have open MS Project, and to create a new calendar we need to go here in the project menu, then change working time, okay. And here we have by default three calendar: 24 hours, night shift and standard, okay. For creating a new, we need to simply click on this create new calendar option, okay. And here we need to just give the name to the calendar, okay. And we need to just select the calendar, make a copy of, okay. We need to select the calendar. We can select 24 hours, the copy of this calendar, or night shift, or we can select standard calendar, okay. So for now I'll select this calendar. I want to just create a copy for this calendar. Then I'll just give a name to this calendar as TVTC calendar, as a new calendar, okay. So this is our project name. And then I'll just simply click over here. Now new calendar has been created. You can see over here TVTC, okay. Now we need to just do some of the modifications according to our exercise, okay. Now the first thing here will be, what we need to do is we need to just change the working times, okay. So in this regard we need to just go here in the work week, then go into the detail, okay. And we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay. So first what I'll do, Friday is holiday, so I'll select the Friday and I'll set it as set days to non-working time, okay. So I'll select this one, so Friday is holiday. Then next to it I'll select this one, then with control key I'll select Monday, then Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday's holiday, so I'll not select this one, then Saturday and Sunday, okay. For these, what I will do, I'll just go here, I'll select this option, set days to this specific working time. I'll select this one, okay. And according to our exercise, it is what daily schedule is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 8, so I'll just go here, I'll go with 8 a.m, okay. And to 12 p.m, okay. And 12 to 1 p.m. is what, lunch and the prayer break, okay. So let me just give you the detail, because if you want to just add any kind of other time you can go with. Okay, let's suppose 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, then 12 to 1 will be what? Lunch and the prayer break. So 1 p.m. then again we'll start from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so this is how you can just add the time over here. 5 p.m. So this is our daily schedule. Okay, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. then 12 to 1 will be lunch and the prayer break, and 1 to 5 p.m. Okay, so next to it I'll press OK from here, and you can see here in the preview Friday is holiday. These are the legends, non-working days. Okay, these are the legends for the non-working days, and these are the legends for the working days. Okay, and next to it what we need to do is we need to just add some of the public holidays as well. Okay, we have set the daily schedule. Next we need to just add here the public holidays, and the first holiday that I want to just add over here is Eid al-Fitr. Okay, so I'll simply go here in exceptions. Okay, and I'll just give a name to the holiday. This is very important. Eid Fitr. Okay, and next we need to just define the start and the end of the holiday. Okay, so in this regard it is starting on May 13 2021. So it is 13. Okay, and it is ending up to May 15. Okay, so 13, 14 and 15, and this is the first holiday, 13 to 15. Now you can see over here 13, 14 and 15 are the holidays. Okay, exception days. Now next Eid al-Adha. Okay, so I'll select here Eid Adha. Okay, and it is just starting in the July 19. Okay, so I'll go here June, July. It is 19 to 21. Okay, so I'll simply go here and I'll select here the 21. 19, 20, 21. Okay, done from here. And next we have Christmas as well. Okay, and it is on December 25. Okay, for one day. So I'll go here 25. Okay, to 25. Okay, remember 25 to 25. Start and the finish should be same, because we are going to add a holiday for one day. Okay, and you can see over here for 25. Okay, so this is how we can just add the holidays. Now next to it I'll just add here a exception, as on December 11 2021 the working hours are 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so I'll just give here a December 11 2021. Okay, and then next to it I'll just select here December 11. Okay, to December 11, select this one, then I'll simply select this one. Okay, you can see over here December 11. Then I'll just go in the detail and I'll just change the working hours from here. Okay, so I'll select the working hours, okay, or working time. Then I'll just delete this one, as I want to just add my own one. Okay, and it is what, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, 1 p.m. Okay, so this is how we can just add any kind of exception hours. Okay, and then I'll press simply OK from here, and you can see the color over here. Okay, and next to it what I need to just add here is the recurring holiday. Okay, in which every second Thursday is holiday. So in this regard what I will do, I'll just add here holiday. Okay, and in recurring holiday I'll just go here in the detail, and then I'll just simply go here and I'll select weekly from here. Okay, and every second Thursday, okay, second recur after second. Okay, select this one, and this is what the Thursday is holiday. Okay, and you can just define the range of the recurrence. Okay, so it could be your project start date and the end date. Let's suppose our project is starting on in 2021. Okay, Fridays 2/1/2021. This is the start of our project, and end by, we need to just define the end. Okay, so let's suppose it is just finishing on end of 2022. Okay, December. This is finishing our project. Okay, so we have defined the range of the recurrence as well. Okay, or you can just add here the number of recurrence as well over here. You can select this and after. Okay, 10 recurrence, okay, 20 recurrence, and press OK from here. Now recurrence has been added over here. You can see over here. Okay, this Thursday is a holiday, the next one is not holiday, and then the next one is holiday again. You can see over here. Okay, you can go here, you can check it over here. So this is how we can just add the recurrence holiday as well. So this is just an example. Okay, so our project calendar, TVTC calendar has been created, and this is the process how we can just create the calendar. After creating calendar, we can simply press OK from here. Okay, in next tutorial we'll look about how we can assign the calendar to the project. This is also very important, so I'll see you in the next.